Hello, I have taken some fruits from this shop. How much money I pay for this? Your bill is $100 in total. Okay, can I pay by card? Sure. Great. Here it is. Thank you. Could you please give me the receipt? Of course. I bought some things for my friends, but I couldn't remember the price. I need the bill for checking later. I see. Your receipt is quite long. Yeah, I bought a lot of things. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Hello, could you please show me your passport? Yeah, here it. Oh no, where is my passport? What happened? I can't find my passport. Did you forget it at home? I don't know, but I remember that I brought it with me. I'm afraid you can't take this flight because of this problem. I think I dropped it somewhere recently because when I buy the coffee, I still hold it. Please contact the administrator. Maybe someone pick it up. Okay, thank you.